I think we actually like change when we can choose it. What we don't like is being changed by something or someone else. That's what gives us the problem. That's what makes us feel resistant to change. And really, if you look underneath all of that, it's because we don't really understand why we need to change or why something has to change. So when we understand the reasons why things need to change, generally we get on board a little faster. So ask why.
Some changes are so painful and overwhelming that you just don't know who you are anymore. Learn how to cope with and bounce back from the changes that you didn't ask for. Unexpected change is tough and can shatter your confidence, leaving you feeling confused and lost. Knowing how to respond to change helps you bounce back faster. Picture this, a drama free zone where good vibes rule. Does that describe your life right now? If not, where has it all gone wrong? It's time for a rewrite. Navigating change, challenges, and life's injustices can be downright difficult, leaving you hurt and bewildered. Here's how to go from surviving it to thriving in it.